Okay, today we're going to find area of polygons. I'm going to start right in with examples here. First example says find the area of the polygon at the right. Each square, so each full square represents 1 square centimeter. So I'm going to go ahead and label my full squares here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These two make 6. These two make 7. So I have a total of 7 centimeters squared for my area. Area is always in square units. Okay. Next one here, find the area of this polygon at the right. Again, tells me that each square is 1 square inch. I'm going to go ahead and label these 1, 2, 3, 4. And these two make 5, so this is 5 inches squared. Alright, oops. Moving down here to the area of Lake Superior. Assume each square represents 3,350 square miles. So I'm going to determine how many full squares I have here. I'm going to go ahead and number them as I'm counting them. I'm going to look at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for sure, 5 full ones. I'm going to include these two as 6. Here's another one here as 7. I'm going to include these two as 8. These two as 9. And I'm going to count these two as about, or those 3, as about a half. Right here. And that's going to give me a little room for some errors here. Again, we're just approximating this, so I'm going to say that there's about a half of a square left over here, so that tells me I have a total of 9.5 squares. I'm going to multiply that by my 3,350 square miles. And when I do that, let me get a calculator here so I don't give you the wrong number. So 9.5 times 3,350 gets me to an area of 31,825 square. Oops, I'm going to label that differently. I'll go miles squared. Again, as long as you can show us your work for approximating the total number of squares, we'll work you through any estimation differences here instead of 9.5. All right, next example here is the last one for today. I'm going to find the area of the polygon on the right. Each unit represents 1 acre, so I'm going to count the number of total squares I have here and approximate the rest. So I see I've got those two full, my lines straight down are my full squares. Here, here, here. Okay, so let me start that over again. That kind of is a mess. Maybe I'll okay, so I'm going to just put little dots in each of those squares. So I'll get my highlighter here. Whoa, those are really big dots. I don't want that. I can pick a little smaller one here. So I've got 1, 2, 3. There's my dead spot. It's for you, Carly. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24 full squares. I'm going to write that down so I don't forget. And then let's see, I'm going to make these 3 24, those 2 25, this one 26. And I'm going to count that as 27, and I'm going to go about 27.5. So I've got 27 acres squared for my area there. Again, we're approximating that. You know, at the end there I could have counted a half here and a half there, but for the purposes of what we're doing, we're approximating that acreage. So it's about 27 square acres. Assignment is listed right here down below. Assignment number 4, practice 10.3. You'll find that on the next page of your packet.